Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking what do you need to focus on to calm any anxiety down that you might be feeling at the moment. And the 5 of Cups came through. And the message here is to really slow down and let yourself feel. Let yourself feel any feelings that may be coming up for you right now. You may be fearful of feeling your feelings because it's not safe for you to feel. You've never felt like it's safe for you to feel. And I would say that probably comes from childhood when it wasn't safe for you to feel. And so you tend to bottle things up. And what happens is when you bottle things up, it's like, you've got a glass of water and you keep pouring into it, these emotions, and you keep keeping them down, right? And your body has no other option but to express anxiety. And so, it's about really letting some of this emotion out. If you feel like crap, you feel like crap. Just let yourself feel, okay? Because this card's indicating to me that there's a lot of sadness within you that's getting suppressed. And so anxiety is happening because you're trying to hold it down. It's like, you're in a pool and you've got a beach ball and you're trying to push it under the water. And so the anxiety is like, oh my God, I can't feel. It's like you're running from your own anxiety because you are seeing your anxiety as dangerous because you're not allowed to feel. That's what your subconscious is telling you. And so you push it down and push it away. So the card today is telling you to just allow yourself to feel. Stop for a moment. Ask yourself, how am I feeling today? Am I okay? What's going on with me? And let that emotion out, It's it's meant to take 15 seconds for an emotion to do its little thing, like to do its little cycle, right? And so, but a lot of us tend to run from it. But if we just allowed ourselves to feel, it would just go. And that's energy in motion, because that's what an emotion is. Energy in motion, not in stagnant suppression. Okay? So get the energy flowing today. Allow yourself to feel. And let me know, are you suffering from anxiety? And let me know, if you do this, does the anxiety calm down? Alrighty, that's my message for today. See ya.